You can think of the sort function as very close to what we used to do with this button. That is the multi-sort button, where we had the option of going here and adding multiple levels. But the drawback of this button is that when you filter, it is going to be filtering the data in the same place. But now if you want to do that, you can use this button, and this is very useful if you want to filter the list in place. That is a sort the list in place. But if you don't like that and you want your data to be in one place and sorting to be in some other place, then can use sort or sort by functions. So I'm going to explain both the functions based on the data given here. I'm going to sort the data in ascending order of the salary. And then if 2 or more people have the same salary, then it should be looking at the second level for city. So what I do, I go here and type sort. And in the function window, you will notice that only one of the argument is mandatory here, which means it will run even if you just type the first array. So right now, I'll just select this array that I want to sort, and I'm not going to add any other arguments here as of now. When I do that, I click OK. Notice that it looks something different than this one because this has been sorted, but how it's sorted is based on the very first column that you had selected, which means now the whole array is in ascending order of ID. And all of them are, so rows also modified based on your sorting. So notice 21622, and we have 21662, same here, but this one is on top because that is the smallest ID. So I decided that I do not want that. Rather, I want it to be sorted based on the salary. So for that, we have to fill out the other arguments. So this one is still okay. And then the sort index is basically the column number that you want to sort on. So my column number is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to sort based on my salary. Then sort order. Do you want it to be sorted in ascending or descending order? I want it to be in ascending order so that the lowest salary shows on top. So I select 1. So it says 1 for ascending, -1 for descending. And by column means that do you want the whole list to be sorted based on the column or by row? So this function is mostly useful for the rows. Why I say that? Because if you want to sort by column, the same thing you can do by the sort by function also. So in the sort function, you can sort either by row or column, but by rows is most useful here because when I sort, I really want the same data to be showing over here. So it says it should be false if you sort by row. So I will type false here. And then I click OK. So now my data is in ascending order of salary. But for example, now in this button, you had the option of adding multi-levels. So you want to add multi-levels in this one also. So we can do that in this function as well. So I'm going to edit the function again. And also note that whenever I click anywhere in these cells, this function is sort of blurred. That means you cannot edit it. But when you click here on the very first one, then you can edit it, which means you can only add it using the cell that you used to type the function earlier. So now what I want to do is I want to sort based on 2 columns. First is salary and then is city. So for the salary, we put 4 because that is column number 4. But for city, it is column number 3. So what I'll do is I will put comma 3. if it shows invalid, that is because you need to have the curly brackets in front and at the end. So how they show the sort and index and sort order is in the curly brackets here. So if it is showing invalid because you added two indexes or more than one index, then it should be in the curly. Same for this one. So 1 means ascending order. So I will do the same for city also, 1, 1, so that the cities are also in ascending order. And then click OK. So now many things have not changed because I do not have a salary with the same amount. So that's why. And when I had the same amount, the city name was already same. But if you had like more than 2 salaries with the same amount and different cities, then the city name with the highest name with the the city name which was starting with the A's will be posted first, then the others. All right. And then second question is what will happen if we turn this into true? True means that they're going to be sorted in column, which means they're going to look at first column and everything related to first and then second and so on. You do that and then it is going to change so much in there. So notice a lot of things have changed. Salary, they put that here. And then the city, they put that in the second one. So that is why this function is mostly useful when you want to sort by row, not by columns. Now what they have done here is they sorted the salary in ascending and then second by city, and then it keeps on going like that. But because it is in columns, it is not sorted in ascending order of rows. So that is why I would rather use the sorting by false here. Sorry, sorting by row here than by column. Now, this sort by function is exactly like the sort button here. So again, we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to use the sort by. You will notice that you see just 2 arguments here, but when you click on the second one, more arguments will keep on showing depending where your cursor is. So what do you want to sort? That is the very first argument. So array means which array do you want to sort? I want to sort this array by array 1. It means you have to select the level. So remember here we are used to add the level based on which we want to sort. So it is just the same way. But in this, instead of just selecting the heading, I'm selecting the overall array based on which I want to sort. So how I want to sort this time is that all the cities should be in ascending order. Then sort order 1, it means do you want to sort in ascending or descending? Let's sort in ascending once again. If you want to sort in descending, you put -1. If you want to sort in ascending, you put 1. So I want to sort it ascending, so I'm going to use 1 here. And as of now, I just want to use 1, sorting on 1 array only. I click OK. And note that all the cities are in ascending order, RS, and then the corresponding data is also in ascending. But now if you want to multi-sort, you can do that by adding more arrays. And for that, exactly the same thing. You put the commas. And then what is my second array? Let's take salary. Sorry, I did. Sorry, I confused it with the sort function. So this is my array 1. I'm so sorry. But you see, you can do compare like, so when I put the curly brackets, it shows me invalid because you cannot put more than 1 array here. That's the reason it says by array 1. by array 1 you want to sort in ascending order, that is city should be in ascending. Then by array 2 you want to sort this in maybe descending order. Then we select this, and this one we want in descending, so -1. Okay, so please note I made this mistake just now. I tried to add more than one array here. You cannot do that in sort by function. You can add the levels, you can add the sort order in the sort function, but not here. Okay, so I do that when I click OK. So now what has happened? All of my rows are first by city, and then within the city, note that my salary is in descending order. Within the city, my salary is in descending order. So this was sort and sort by function. Please let me know if you have any questions.